Hi, here's a quick video on how to position your low back in certain positions that'll help benefit you and allow your core to engage and also allow you to take pressure off your spine at the same time, okay? There's basically three ways the low back moves, okay? We have an anterior tilt or extension bias move where we're kind of separating our low back or moving it away from the surface. We should feel the low back muscles engage. Those are our multifidi or extensors. Okay, so that's an anterior tilt. And then the opposite is a posterior tilt. We're flattening our low back as close to the ground as possible, ideally pressing it against the floor. Okay, and then right in between, we have a neutral spine. And this is the position in which we want to be in when we're performing certain exercises, particularly rotating, just to provide optimal stability and incorporate what we call a co-contraction of your midsection or core. So when you flatten the back into a posterior pelvic tilt, the low back shuts off and the abs fire. And then when you go the other way, the low back fires and then the abs relax. So by finding that neutral spine, we'll have the front, back, and even the sides, obliques area of our core nice and engaged, and that'll provide optimal stability to our spine, okay? So just a real simple exercise you can do is just kind of work the low back up, flatten it, work it up, flatten it just to kind of get your low back going through a certain range of motion, and then you're gonna stop when you find the middle, and that'll be a neutral spine. And that's a good way of allowing yourself to be able to control your pelvis and position your low back in positions that'll benefit it in certain ways which you may need, okay? So just rocking the hips up, rocking them underneath you. This is a good way to groove a nice pattern of proper low back spine positioning.